crystalline, just champagne powder, just so fluffy and light. Me and Kent and Deborah and Ashley went skiing.
Man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we didn't eat much today, other than wasabi.
No, that breakfast wasn't as big as I thought it was going to
Nah,
be.
it's kind of, I mean, it was good. I liked
Yeah,
it, but
it hit the spot.
It wasn't like you were just stuffed after eating.
No.
It hit the spot, but
It was just a regular old breakfast for $9. That's essentially what I took from it. It was $9. What I'd hate to know what the other one was like. We would have been starving.
for two of us.
$27?
Well, with tip, $5
Wow.
tip. Yeah, 22. Well, because it's like $8, 16. Coffee. Yeah, God, they really must give me on coffee, man.
Bastards. Coffees? They charging you for the coffees like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.